Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to a&aglitter. So today we are opening box number 23. I said it in the last few videos, I'm feeling very sad now because after this one, it's Christmas Eve, it's the last one. So let's open you. Oh, we have a white one. Plastic glitter on me. I need to zoom you in. So this is snow. Seasonal mix. So we have a mix of, is it metallic? No, it's matte. Matte hexagons, and there was like a tiny amount of silver. Is it silver? No, it's not silver. It looks silver. It's like a fine glitter. See, like from here, it looks. Yeah, it looks silver. Do you know what? I don't even think it's holographic. I don't think it's holographic. I think it's iridescent. So I feel like a bit of a dick. What's new? I think it is holographic, you know that? I'm not quite sure. Again, this one's going to be quite hard to see because the again, when the acrylic is wet, it's sort of cloudy. It's only until it dries that you actually see what it looks like. So it's not looking much right now, but I'm sure when it dries. So yeah, look, you can see a lot of that. I can't tell, let me see. I still don't know if that is holographic. I mean, like, you can tell the difference between holographic and holographic and iridescent, but here it looks iridescent, but then at some angles it does look holographic. But it's pretty. It is pretty. I like it. I do like it. I don't have many matte glitters, so that is nice to add to the old collection. So again, this one is, oops, snow. See, if I go out of focus, see, it looks holographic. Or is it just my eyesight that's playing with me? I don't know. But whatever, it's beautiful glitter. I love it. So I'm happy. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Tomorrow is going to be a very sad day because it's my last window It makes me so sad. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.